Hello, fifth graders. So today we're going to learn about converting decimals to fractions and dividing the fractions and prime factors. So let's get started. The first one is converting, and let's work on number 2. So we have to convert 48 ounces to kilograms. And before we start, we have to look at this. 1 ounce is equal to 28.350 grams, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. We're going to use this when we convert the units. And let's go back to our problem. So we have to convert 48 ounces to kilograms. So what we're going to do is that we're going to convert ounces to grams first, and then we're going to convert the grams to kilograms. So we have 48 ounces right now, and we want to convert it to grams. And remember, 1 ounce is equal to 28.350 grams. So we're going to multiply 48 by 28.350 because there are 48 ounces, and then it is equal to 1,360.8. All right, so now we converted it to grams. So now we have grams. So we're going to divide this by 1,000. So why the divide this by 1,000 is because 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So when you want to convert grams to kilograms, you have to divide it by 1,000. And when you want to convert kilograms to grams, you have to multiply 1,000. And in this case, we're going to convert grams to kilograms. So I'm dividing it by 1,000. So 1,360.8 divided by 1,000 is equal to 1.3608. So 48 ounces is equal to 1.3608 kilograms. All right. And the next one is decimals to fraction. So we're going to convert this and we're going to work on number 1. So there's 0.28 and we're going to convert this to fractions. So there are 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, and this 8 is on the 100th place. So the denominator should be 100. And so basically 0.28 is equal to 0.28 over 1. So it's like I multiplied 100 for the denominator. So I'm going to multiply 100 on the numerator too. So 0.28 multiplied by 100 is 28. So it will be 28 over 100. But then I have to reduce it. So I'm going to divide them by 2. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. And 100 divided by 2 is 50. And I can simplify again. So I'm going to divide by 2 again, and it will be 7 and 25. So after the simplifying the fraction, the final answer will be 7 over 28. 25. All right. So now we're going to do dividing fractions. Let's work on number 2. So number 2 is 1/2 divided by 7. So when we divide the fractions, for me, the easy way to do this is switching the sign. So we have this division sign, so I'm going to change it to multiplication. So 1/2 times, but then when you change the sign, you have to flip the numbers. So I'm going to write the reciprocal of 7, so it will be 1/7. So you know how basically 7 is equal to what 7/1? So I'm just flipping the number. So 7/1 is becoming 1/7. So 1 is becoming the numerator and 7 is becoming the denominator. So it is 1/14. And this is the final answer because we cannot reduce anymore. Alright. So the last one is prime factors, and we're going to list the prime numbers and determine if the number is prime or not. We're going to work on number 1 and 3, and let's get started. Number 1 is 17. Sorry. And 17 has two factors, which are 1 and 17. It means it is divisible by only two factors that are 1 and itself, 17. It doesn't have any more factors, so it is a prime number. So the answer will be yes. And for 3, we have 78. This is a pretty big number. So we're going to do the 3. So first 2 goes into 78, right? So we're going to write 2 here, which is a prime number. And 2 goes into 78, and we're going to get 39. Okay. And then 39 is not a prime number. So we go again, and 2 doesn't go into 39, and 3 goes into 39. So we're going to write 3 here, and then we get 13. So this shows us that it has more than two factors. It has 2, 3, and 13. A prime number should have only two factors that are 1 and itself. But then 78 has the factors of 2, 3, and 13. So the answer is that this is not a prime number. Oops, prime number. Alright. And this is the answer. Okay. So this is it for today's lesson.